Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'll now brought you to two plum trees in the garden. Very similar of the type of fruit they are. One is pruned wrongly and the other is pruned very well indeed. One tree will give very poor fruit and the other one will give plenty of good fruit. What's gone wrong here? Someone moved in with the chainsaw and just without any discretion just cut with the chainsaw and said, right, the branches, now the tree got to sort itself out. What they forget, trees will communicate, but they must get the right message. Here the wrong message is given. Big wounds are made at wrong angles without improving the tree structure. The tree will react by throwing out masses of shoots, again taking the light away from the center and not improving therefore at all the quality of the fruit or the life of the tree itself. I will now bring you to the tree which is right. Now if we look at this tree here, look, there's the main structure, thick branch here, thick branch there, well furnished with thin wood. Fruit grows best on 2 and 3-year-old wood. If you can do a tree structure where there is 2 to 3-year-old wood on the outside and 2 to 3-year-old wood without big bits of wood on the top, and the light can go right through it, then that is the way how to restructure trees which have been neglected. Is there anything else to be done to this tree? No. It will have masses of flowers, the bees will come, the pollen of the one plum tree will go to the flowers of the other, and so therefore there will be good cross-pollination, and all being well, there will be a good crop. Thank you for watching.